Okay, you've gotten the background now of NFTs, Web3. Now we're going to talk about buying and selling. So again, if you look, we've already looked at what the tools you need. We've done the brief explanation, and we're up to the beginner guide. You can see where we're going eventually. The overall goal, remember, is to familiarize you with the world of NFTs. It's not a course to teach you how to invest in NFTs. Investing is a very complex topic, and in general depends on each individual's financial situation. The only investing advice I've ever gotten is that universally great wisdom: buy low, sell high. Obviously, but I wish I had done more of that buying low and selling high during my investing lifetime. Investing is not recommended at any point in this course simply because of the environment which I've already described in the introduction. Most experienced investment advisors are recommending waiting until the global macro financial picture clears up sometime in 2023. You are doing the smart thing by learning now. So I'm going to update this course on a regular basis, and so let's look at buying an NFT. It's really very easy. You put money into a crypto wallet. I recommend it. You only buy things that you really love, and you want to have it. It's pretty much the same process if you are collecting stamps or baseball cards or paintings. You want to hold it, look at it, whenever you feel like it. You really don't buy those things with the intention of making a profit someday. So you can buy some NFTs for virtually nothing, or you can spend many millions on them. And just to give you a sense of the marketplace, there's a collection of 10,000 NFTs called the Bored Ape Yacht Club, and I'll show you some images of those. But the minimum price for any of those was $117,000 each. Crypto punks are selling for over $100,000. So you can Google for those images, and but the top three have a market cap of over $2.3 billion, invested about 25,000 very wealthy people. Certainly not in my league. Selling an NFT is just the opposite. You sell something you've created, usually at very low or no cost, and you pocket the difference between the sold price and the listing fees. The hard part, of course, in this or any other business is finding someone who loves your product and is willing to part with their hard-earned cash to acquire it. So when you do this recommended project, which is coming up next, you'll see how easy it is to create a fascinating NFT and put it up for sale. Well, that's easy. You're probably not going to make any money on it. If you do, it'll be a small amount. But you will get the great satisfaction of bragging to your friends and family that you've created an NFT and you put it up for sale. So we can dream about the big money, and of course, that's part of the fun, dreaming about it. So investing in an NFT, and again, this course is not recommending that you invest in anything this time or any time in the future. That's something that's going to be a family kind of decision, or something that you've done a fair amount of studying. So the next part of this course will be actually creating an NFT and posting it. This is the project part. Like the rest of the topics that are available on Skillshare, doing the project is probably the most valuable part. You can listen to me talk all day, and it's not going to do a whole lot for you. But if you do the project, you'll be very impressed with what you've accomplished. So, on to the next course.